Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another vlog for you guys. I'm going to be sharing some clips from my recent trip back home to Canada. For those of you that are new around here, I'm originally from a city called Burlington. It's in Ontario, Canada. It's just outside of Toronto, but I've been living in San Diego, California for about 5 years now, which I cannot even believe it's been 5 years. Like, time just flies. It's so crazy. Anyways, I'll be sharing that with you guys, but I also wanted to talk about light therapy for those of you that are experiencing autoimmune diseases, whether it be hair loss related autoimmune disease or just autoimmune disease in general. Light therapy can be super beneficial. Low level light therapy or red light therapy as it's also known has been shown to really help reduce a lot of the unwanted symptoms that you can experience when you have an autoimmune disease. Ones that really affect your skin and joints, especially because it has anti-inflammatory properties to it, as well as it helps to stimulate tissue growth and repair as well. Now, right now, if you're experiencing an autoimmune disease, you might have been prescribed something like, in the case of hair loss, corticosteroid injections, steroid shots. A lot of doctors or dermatologists will also prescribe immunosuppressant medications. Now, disclaimer, I'm not saying to not take those things. You always want to talk to your doctor first. With that being said, low-level light therapy can be an amazing alternative option that is non-invasive, and it can really help to heal a lot of your autoimmune symptoms with minimal side effects, which is fantastic, which is what we're going for here. Another thing that you want to consider is how your gut microbiome plays a huge role when it comes to autoimmune disease. So if you're experiencing gut dysbiosis, which means that the levels of bacteria, good versus bad, are completely out of whack in your gut microbiome, that can leave you more susceptible to getting an autoimmune disease. And there's been studies that have actually shown that immunosuppressant medications as well as steroid injections can actually make your gut microbiome even worse. So that's why I personally opted to try alternative therapies rather than go that route. And low-level light therapy can really help with healing. And I actually break down the science part of this further in another video, which I'm going to link right here for you guys. But anyway, suffice it to say that I'm a huge fan of low-level light therapy or red light therapy, especially when it comes to hair loss. I've been using my iRestore device as part of my hair growth routine for the past few years now, and it has made a huge difference in supporting my hair growth. So it contains 282 LEDs and lasers. And this one that I have right here is the Pro device. It comes with a portable battery pack, and I use it every other day for 25 minutes. And you can see the light that is emitted. It covers the majority of your scalp. It's super comfortable to wear. And the red light that is emitted, what that's doing is it is helping to increase circulation in your scalp, and that is helping to deliver more nutrients to your hair follicles so that the cells inside of your hair bulb are actually going to be dividing more rapidly. And that's going to keep you in the hair growth phase of the hair growth cycle for longer. And another thing is that the longer that your hair is in the growth phase of the hair growth cycle, the longer your hair will be. And I want to say a quick thank you to iRestore for sponsoring this video. If you guys want to save a ton on your own device, I will put a link down in the description box for you guys below, and you can use the code DEEPA at checkout. Let's get back into my trip now. I am about to do something, so don't judge me. This is something that I've wanted to do forever and ever. I'm getting lip filler today. This is Nurse Reeya over here. Hi. So Jack and I here, Jack is a longtime friend of mine. and we were just hanging out having drinks and somehow magically ended up at this
and now at a brokerage open house.
Yeah.
It's a Selling Sunset open house.
Selling Sunset vibes. Let me show you. This house is insane. Hey guys, okay, so it's been about a month since I got my lip filler done, and I just wanted to share the results because like initially I know like it looks like so extra, but once it settles, it looks gorgeous. Like I've wanted to get my lips done for 10 years and I'm so happy that I finally just did it. And I'm so happy with the results. I feel like it looks like everybody that I talk to just says it looks like super natural. Like they wouldn't even been able to tell. Even when I just got it done right then, like I told a couple of my friends and like I asked my friend Jackie, I was like, what looks different? What did I do? She could not even guess at all. So if you've been wanting to get it done for a long time, if you're in the Toronto area, go see Nurse Reeya at Plump It Up. Make sure that you really research your artist because the person that you're going to see, like you're going to tell them exactly what you want to have done and you want to make sure that they're able to do it. And so I had just told her that I just wanted something very natural looking. And we discussed like everything to do with lip filler. And we ultimately decided on one syringe of the Stylage lip filler. So they're all different companies that sell lip fillers. So you want to make sure that you're getting something that is going to give you the result that you want. So it's not like you can just go get any sort of type of filler injected into your lips and you're going to get that result that you want. You want to make sure that you're communicating the exact result that you wanted. That's why she used Stylage on me and it just looks super natural. And yeah, I'm so happy. I definitely recommend it. If that's what you want to get done, I definitely recommend it. And I'm definitely going to keep up with lip filler because I'm just so super happy with the results.